Oh, hi there. Just want to talk to you quickly today about two new things that are coming up. And these would not be available unless it was for 3D printing. And I think they're going to be very, very, very useful. So the first thing is our new heel lifts and rear foot post adjustments. So you can see the black extra piece on the heel here. That's a 3mm heel lift. The benefit to this is easy adjustments. So say you started with 3 and you want to go to 5, or you started with 5 and you want to go down to 3. Instead of having to send the whole orthotic back and the patient being without the orthotic while the adjustment is done, you can just tell us and we'll print out a new heel lift, and you can unattach the existing one. It snaps onto the existing rear foot posts, and take the new one that comes in a shipment and simply just snap it on. That quick in your office, patient's gone. Patient has no time without the orthotics, and the adjustment is exact and done just like that. So you save shipping time, save shipping costs, save shipping energy, gas for transportation, all that stuff. So it's only because of 3D printing that we can have these snap-ons, and they're very accurate, very durable. Won't come off unless you take special effort to pull it off. The second thing that's coming out is our new Impact Actives. Looks like a little ghost there, kind of funny with Halloween coming up. But again, this is very exciting, and again, only because of 3D printing. The shell is the typical nylon shell that we 3D print, and the arch fill is a TPU that we can print in different densities to get different firmnesses and hardnesses and things like that. So with this new technology, we can snap off the arch fill, and it can be, we can send you a new one if it packs out. Maybe you want it more firm, less firm, different things like that. Maybe you want to put a degree into it. Maybe you want to add a full-length heel lift to it. Anything like that. But you just order it. We send you the new one. Again, the patient keeps the orthotics, comes back to the office when you receive the new arch fill. You pull off the old one, put on the new one, and you're good to go. Two unique and exciting advancements made possible because of 3D printing. If you have any questions, please feel free. Give us a call, send us an email. Be happy to help you out. Thanks. Bye now.